Not inviting me to sit by the with you? Oh, you wound me, my dear friend. Mind if I join you? So, tomorrow's the day. How are you feeling? What is troubling you, my sweet? You know how much it pains me to see you cry. Nothing is silly when it comes to you, so please, tell me. Then I may as well be selfish too, because I have had similar thoughts. Yes, the key word here being similar. While I will certainly miss our lovely comrades, I must admit, the idea of not being around you is dreadful. You are someone who I can't bear to part with. both. I'm simply contemplating the object. You are putting me in a tight spot, my sweet. The smell of the dead is truly unfathomable. If given that choice, I shall pursue the noble option of letting you pass on, dying as the amazing hero that you are, rather than letting you live on as an odorous, almost limbless zombie. Not accounting for fantastical scenarios such as that, I am serious that a world without you isn't the ideal one for me. So, I would like to keep you by my side for as long as life allows for it. As lovely as he is, especially after he's had more than 4 bog grogs, he just can't measure up to you. You're more than fantastic, my sweet. More than you're willing to give yourself credit for. From leading this team to changing so many lives for the better and inspiring all of us, not just me, to become better people. Sweetness, the word fantastic would be an absolute disservice to the kind of person you are. I love you. I would name everything that I love about you, but I'm afraid that would take days to do. Something that, unfortunately, time will not allow, given our current circumstances. Although our group's journey may end tomorrow, I don't want our journey to end. I want to make more memories with you as we explore Ultra together, hand in hand. So, would you like to begin a new chapter in our tale, just the two of us? No, it doesn't. I think I need you to do that again so I can be sure. Okay, I think I understand what you're trying to say. So, what do you want to do now, my sweetness? Oh, I would be a fool to reject such a tempting offer. But I fear that we would wake the others up. Maybe we can go outside of the camp. That way, I needn't hold myself back. You don't understand how long I've been desiring a chance to explore every inch of your body, wondering how many ways you'll say my name. May I? You're already getting excited. Just you wait, my sweetest, because I have a lot more to show you. A lot more to give you.